Hi, welcome to Amtech India. This video illustrates the demo and working of a muffle furnace. Amtech India's muffle furnace is made from thick mild steel chamber, double-walled powder-coated, insulated with ceramic fiber wood.
You out this world, need some space for me.
Can't fall water heating elements fitted. Offers temperature up to 1200 degrees Celsius and working temperature 1100 degrees Celsius. The unit operates at 220 to 230 volts AC. To operate, turn on the MCB switch. Mains and load indicator will glow, indicating the operation, and set the temperature using digital controller. For this, press set button. Use up down keys to set temperature, and press set button again.